Hey everyone, welcome back to English from A to Z.
Hi, I'm Ryan, and I'm here with Emma, as always. How are you doing today, Emma?
I'm doing great, Ryan. It's such a beautiful day outside.
It really is. And that's exactly what we're talking about today, the weather.
That's right, weather is one of the most common topics in English conversation. So let's get started.
So, Emma, let me ask you, what's your favorite type of weather?
Oh, that's easy. I love sunny days. When the sky is clear and the sun is shining, I feel so happy and energetic. What about you, Ryan?
I actually love a cool, cloudy day. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect for a walk outside.
Really? I always bring a jacket when it's cloudy because it can get cold fast.
That's smart. Always good to be prepared.
So, Ryan, have you checked the weather forecast today?
Yes, I did. It says it's going to be sunny and warm, around 75 degrees.
Oh, that's lovely. 75 degrees is perfect, not too hot.
Exactly. But tomorrow they're saying it might be rainy and windy.
Oh no, really? I hate rainy days. Everything gets wet and it's hard to go outside.
I don't mind the rain, actually. I like listening to it, but strong wind, that I don't like.
Me neither. Wind makes everything feel colder than it actually is.
That's so true. So, Emma, what do you usually do on a rainy day?
I love staying home, making a hot cup of coffee, and reading a book. Very cozy.
That sounds amazing. I usually watch a movie or cook something warm at home.
Perfect rainy day activities. So what about seasons? What's your favorite season?
Definitely fall. The weather's cool, the leaves change color. It's beautiful.
Fall is gorgeous. I love spring myself. Everything starts growing again, flowers come out, and the weather gets warm slowly.
Spring is great too. What about summer and winter?
Summer can be too hot for me sometimes. When the temperature goes above 90 degrees, I just want to stay inside with the air conditioning.
I know what you mean. And winter can be really cold and freezing depending on where you live.
Exactly. Some places get a lot of snow in winter. Have you ever seen snow, Ryan?
Yes. I grew up in a place where winters were very cold and snowy. I remember as a kid I loved playing in the snow.
That sounds so fun. I didn't see much snow growing up, but I visited a snowy city once and it was magical.
Okay, let's quickly go over some of the words we used today.
Great idea. So we talked about sunny. That means the sun is shining and the sky is clear.
Cloudy. When the sky is covered with clouds and there's not much sun.
Rainy, when it's raining outside, and windy, when there's a lot of wind.
We also said freezing. That means extremely cold. And forecast. The forecast is the prediction of what the weather will be like.
And temperature. That's how hot or cold it is, usually measured in degrees.
Great words. Try to use them this week when you talk about the weather.
And that's it for today's episode of English from A to Z.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope you learned some useful weather words today.
Practice by describing the weather outside your window right now. In English, of course.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.